So welcome.
Thank you.
What are your impressions about the event so far?
I mean, I'm impressed. I wasn't expecting this kind of event. Very well organized, the content, the people. I mean, amazing. I really enjoy it.
Great. So what did you talk about inside?
I think that, that all the topics are related to how the agencies are looking the gaming industry in terms of advertisement on a different ways, on that context, in my case, from Latin America perspective, and the way we are trying to, of course, develop that market through advertisers.
So you said that in Latin America the gaming industry is really an emerging market and it's one of the biggest. What else can you say about it?
I will say that the gaming industry is very big in Latin America because of Brazil. Brazil is huge in gaming. Mexico is huge, but the media or the advertisement industry on gaming is start to develop.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.